Welcome to Panther Wave YouTube channel. Life rolling in the Crown Victoria. This is a moment of God dang it, I done messed up episode. So messing around, doing a little cleaning, a little maintenance. And like, oh, I have a PVC valve that I need to change out. Okay, let's do it. So, the original PVC valve is here. Let's get that in focus. There we go. So, this original PVC valve has snapped off right here. Let's switch it out. It sits like that right on top of the valve cover on the passenger side. So I was like, dang it, I done messed up. So I got the quick thinking. It's like, man, how can I make this work? It's like, oh, I actually had some holes. So I had a little 3/8 holes here. Laying around. So man, I was like, perfect. I can make this work. So what I did was I ran the hose right to the intake, the plenum here, and just curved it right in front of the fuel pressure rail. It's not touching anything, and went right to the PVC valve. Perfect. I'll just show you up close. PVC valve, brand new. Capped off on the top. And right to the upper intake plenum. Thanks for watching.